Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to make ice cream. For that we need half liter milk, half cup sugar, 1 cup malai, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, saffron. First you have to boil the milk. Switch on the stove and boil the milk. Once it boils, now you have to add saffron, half cup sugar, few drops, 3 to 4 drops of vanilla essence. Now add half cup milk to corn flour. You should not add water and you have to mix it without lumps. Now you have to mix it without lumps. You should mix like this. After that you have to pour it into the milk mixture. Now you have to mix the now you have to add the corn flour mixture into the hot milk. You have to mix while adding. Now you have to mix and add. Continuously you have to mix it for 2 to 5 minutes. Now the milk was cooled down. Now you have to add 1 cup milk cream and grind it. And add it to the mixie grinder and blend it nicely. After blending it look like this. Now you have to add it into a containers and freeze it for 8 hours. After 8 hours it was frozen. It will become like this. Now you have to grind it again. Now you have to grind it. After grinding it will look like this. Now you have to add it into the containers. You can see the texture. You should not add little bit of water. Again you have to freeze it. If you want, you can also add cashew nuts, badam, pista. Have to refrigerate it for 6 hours, 6 or 8 hours. Ice cream was ready.